Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you all spending your time wisely? How do you utilize your time? Reading books, playing indoor games, do artworks, craft works. Some may even like to spend their time drawing or making doodle art. You all know that math is everywhere. Math is in art also. Whatever you scribble or doodle on the sheet of paper, it is mathematics. Yes, it is called as a curve. I am very much sure that you have heard about the mathematical curve. All the shapes around us are formed using curves and lines. So, what is a curve? Curve, a curvy line, curved line, or just curve is a line which is not straight. In simple terms, it can be any line which is somewhat bent. It is important to know that curves hold different definitions as per different disciplines of mathematics. So there are various types of curves. The first one is a closed curve. A curve which has no open ends, which means it starts and ends at the same point. For example, you have this curve. The next curve is an open curve. A curve which has open ends is called as the open curve. So this is an example of an open curve. Next you have a simple curve. A curve which does not cross itself is called as a simple curve. So examples are all these curves. Here the curve doesn't cross itself. Some of the non simple curves are here. In this case, the curves cross itself. Next is simple closed curve. You already know that simple means it doesn't cross itself, closed means that it ends where it starts. So, what is a simple closed curve? Simple closed curve is a closed curve which does not cross itself. So, some of the examples are here. So, in this case, the curves are simple and it is also closed. Let's look at some of the examples. So, if you look at figure 1, this curve is simple because this curve doesn't cross itself. If you look at the second figure, you can see that it is closed and it is simple also. So it is a simple closed curve. And if you look at the third figure, this curve is not closed and it is not simple also because it crosses itself. So this curve is not simple and it is not closed. If you look at the figure 4, this curve is closed, but it is not simple because it crosses itself. This is a closed curve that is not simple. So we have seen about simple closed curves which is made up of curves, right? What can you say about a simple closed curve that is made up of only line segments? Yes, polygons. The word polygon is a Greek word. Poly means many and gon means angles. You're familiar with different kinds of polygons, right? Polygons are divided based on its number of sides. So it is classified as triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, and so on. And triangles are classified further based on their sides and angles. Based on their sides, it is classified as isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, scalene triangle. And based on its angles, it is classified as acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angled triangle. And quadrilateral, it is divided based on its angles. It is classified as square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, kite, etc. And some of the 3D shapes of polygons are cube, cuboid, sphere, pyramid, and cone. Depending on the sides and angles, the polygons are classified into different types, namely regular polygon, irregular polygon, convex polygon, concave polygon. First, let's see what is a regular polygon. If all the sides and interior angles of a polygon are equal, then they are called as regular polygons. For example, you have equilateral triangle, square, regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular heptagon, and so on. Next is irregular polygon. If all the sides and the interior angles of the polygon are of different measure, then they are called as irregular polygons. So here are some of the examples of a irregular polygon. Next you have convex polygons and concave polygons. So in convex polygons, every interior angle is less than 180 degree, whereas concave polygons have at least one angle greater than 180 degree. In other words, you can say that in convex pentagon, all diagonals are totally in the interior of the pentagon, whereas in concave pentagon, not all diagonals are totally in the interior of the pentagon. At least one diagonal is in the exterior of the pentagon. It is very much obvious that polygons are used in real life. You can observe polygons in nature as in honeycombs and spider webs. They are used in construction. Any form of tiling involves polygons. The tiles need to tessellate to cover an area without leaving any gaps. This is directly connected to the angle properties of polygons. Architects include polygons with every plan of a house. The cost of building any structure depends on the length of the walls and size of the angles, all properties of polygons. And they are used in digital art. Polygons are popular in the digital world. They can be called a kind of peculiar digital art. As you know, all 3D models are made of polygons. The more polygons your model has, the more detailed and appealing it will look. They are used in origami. Origami is both a form of art and mathematics. It is the art of folding the paper, which mathematically can be understood in terms of geometric construction. In general, polygons are part of nature and we are surrounded by polygons all the time. I want you to identify the types of curves from the given figures and have a thought of these questions. Is straight line a curve and is circle a polygon? Thank you for watching.